Good morning dear student, welcome to the class 10th Information Technology. So student, as you know that your syllabus has been changed, so first of all we should see the new syllabus. I'm showing you the new syllabus. Here you can see the new syllabus contain 4 parts, part A, part B, part C and part D. So first of all we will learn about part B. Part B contains subject specific skills which contain 4 units: digital documentation, electronic spreadsheet, database management system, web application and security. And in digital documentation there are the 5 parts: create and apply styles, insert and use images, create and use templates, create and customize table of contents, and the last one is implement mail merge. So first of all we should know that what is digital documentation, because our unit name is digital documentation. And before learning the digital documentation we should aware of document. Document means any file where the relative data is arranged, like in the form of sentence, in the form of paragraph, in the form of letter and application. And when we arrange the data in digital form using hardware and software, that is called digital documentation. So how to create digital document in computer? So first of all we should know that how to create digital document. To create digital document we have to use Microsoft Word. Microsoft Word is a software which is part of Microsoft Office. So first of all I'm telling you that how to open Microsoft Word. Go to the start button, type Word. When you type Word, directly you will find that Microsoft Word 2007. Just click there. When you click there, you will find the window of Microsoft Word 2007. It is getting open. Now this is a window of Microsoft Word 2007. First of all, we should aware of this environment, and this is called title bar. You can see where the document 1 Microsoft Word is written, that is called title bar, because showing the title of application. It is called Office button, which contains the file related option like open, save, new, save as, print. And this is called ribbon, which contains the different tabs, and each tab contains some groups or categories, and each group contains some options. These are also called buttons. This is page where we actually type the contents. This is a scroll bar, which is used to scroll the page up and down, and this is status bar, which is showing the status of the cursor. The blinking line is called cursor. So our topic is inserting image. How to insert image in Word document. To insert any image, first of all we'll go to the insert tab. To insert image, we go to the insert tab, then we'll click on picture option in illustration group. When we click on the picture option, we'll find the insert picture dialog box. Here from where we want to take the picture. I want to take the picture from desktop, so I'll go to the desktop. There is a folder which name picture and video is available on the desktop. I will just click there, and then I'll select the particular picture which I want to insert in the document, and then click on insert button. Now you can see the picture is inserted. After inserting picture, now you can resize it. You can change the color, change the border of it. You can change the shape of it. It means you can apply the formatting on the picture. So how to resize the picture? Resizing means to change the length and height and width of the particular picture. So how to change width and height of picture? There are 2 ways to change the height and width of picture. First way is very simple. Just click on the picture and then go to the format tab. At the end you will find the size group. In the size group you will find height and width. And here with the height and width you will find the spinner buttons. Spinner buttons and contain 2 buttons. One is increase and second is decrease. Topmost is used for increasing the size, and bottom